Hello everybody, so this video is to show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 16 for free. Now it's a free piece of software, but some people might find it a bit difficult to know exactly which is a free and which is a paid version. And also if you're not used to downloading things it might be a bit daunting, so I've just included this video. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go through to blackmagicdesign.com. I'll drop a link in the description below, and this will give us the option to download. We click the download button, and then we can either click on to download DaVinci Resolve 16 or DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. Now it's really important that we hit DaVinci Resolve 16 and not the Studio version, because the Studio version is paid for and the DaVinci Resolve 16 version is free. Now I've got a PC, so I'm going to click on Windows, but obviously if you have a Mac or a Linux computer, you select the appropriate button. At this stage, it will then ask you for your details. Now I was happy to put my own details in, but no one's going to know if you make the details up. Although it is a trusted website and there's no reason you shouldn't feel safe putting your details in. Once we've done that, this little box should click up and we press OK. We can see it download in the top right hand corner here. Now I've actually already downloaded it. It should take about 15 minutes, or it took me 15 minutes at least. Once we've done that, I'm going to right click and press open folder location, or just go straight to the downloads folder. And then we will have a zipped folder, so we're going to need to extract it. So we're going to need to extract the file. So we're going to right click and press extract all, and then I'm just going to go with a suggested path location and press extract. Once we've done this, a new folder will appear without the zip on. We click on the folder, then we can click on DaVinci Resolve 16 Windows icon, and then this will start the download wizard. From here we can just keep clicking install and next until it's finished the installation. So I'm going to speed up this part, there's no need to watch this at normal speed. There we go, once we're done, we click finish, and the program is installed. From here we can then just go onto our desktop and click on the DaVinci icon, and the program should smoothly start up. And there we go, we're all ready to start a new project. The reason I've made this video is because I've done a quick video on how to make a time-lapse, and DaVinci Resolve is really great for this. Now I personally used to use Adobe Premiere Pro a lot, but I didn't want to pay monthly for it. And this free version of DaVinci does everything I need it to do, and I've actually found it easier and quicker to use. So I highly recommend this program, and I hope you have fun using it. I'll put up a link to my time-lapse videos on screen now. I've got part 1, which is how to take the pictures, and part 2, which will be using DaVinci to edit our pictures into a video. I highly recommend this, it's really easy and it's fun to do. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, given it a thumbs up or subscribing lets me know I'm going in the right direction. And I hope to see you in the next video.